Hey, good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to this week's edition of the Saturday Spark, where I hopefully can give you a little training inspiration for your Saturday morning meeting. All right, team, here we go again. It's the last weekend of the month, and come on, you know the drill by now. End of the month meeting, we keep it positive to the point and focus on one skill to help us deliver a few extra cars that we didn't plan on. We've been focusing on this outbound calls all month long. It's been so important. I got great feedback from everybody. But today, let's wrap this up and create a strong close for ourselves by making sure all these appointments your team made this weekend actually show up. Here are 6 quick RAM safeguards to protect against the no-show appointment. We all know confirmed appointments are 3 times more likely to show, so stop ignoring this simple but oh so important step. Come on, let's get to work. You and your team got to be on this today. Don't just try to coerce someone into an appointment. They have been an active participant in this process. There's no beating them over the head and dragging them in. That doesn't work. Just explain to them, remind them the benefits of working with you and why they called you in the first place. Second, ask them if they prefer text or email confirmation of the appointment and put everything in there. Assume nothing. Directions, time, your name, all of it. 3, let them know what you're going to do for them. This is so important. Prepare a vehicle for a test drive. Have their favorite drink ready. Something they mentioned on the phone that's important to them. Surprise them. Let them know that all the work you're putting into their appointment so they will make sure they respect your time. Then ask them to call you if they can't make it at that time. Let them know that your time matters and respecting time is important to you. That way they know you will respect their time as well. 5, let's make sure they know who you are by ending the call, verifying your name and appointment. Finally, call, text, email your client that day and the day before. Let's get that show rate up. Don't lose out on appointments because your team didn't take 3 minutes to confirm. Remember, after countless hours of research, the customer chose your store to take the time to call. Don't lose sight of that. Now, you just have to reel them in with a simple confirmation. Play this team for your team this morning. Incorporate into your talk. I hope you crush it today. Have a killer close. I can't wait to hear your numbers. It's going to be a great month. I look forward to seeing you next week.